Hi guys, thanks for following my channel. We're gonna explain Divide Polynomials Lesson 2 Part 4. It's on page 322. My Facebook and Instagram Amiral Asadi, and please share and subscribe. Divide polynomials by a number. Example 1. 3x plus 6 over 3. So I have two terms, 1, 2. I'm gonna separate these two terms. So now I can have two fractions, 3x over 3 plus 6 over 3. Cancel out 3, then I can have x plus 2 because 6, 3 goes with 6 and equals 2. There is another way to solve it. 6, it's 3 times 2. So I can have 3x plus 3 times 2. So now I have a common factor between these two terms. 3 is a common factor. So I can take it out. Now I have 3, then parentheses, I have x left plus 2 left because I took away these two numbers. So I have x plus 2 left, parentheses, over 3. Cancel out 3, then I can have x plus 2, so same answer. Divide polynomials by an expression. Example 2. So the bottom is 5x. So I can do it in two ways. The first way, 25, it's 5 times 5. X to the power 3, it means x times x squared, minus 45, it comes from 5 times 9. X squared, x times x. And the bottom is 5x. Now I have a common factor, 5. In these I have two terms. This is the first term, the second term. So I have a common factor, which is 5. And I have x as a common factor too. Equals, I'm going to take out 5x, parentheses. Then I have left 5x squared in first term. 5x squared minus, I have 9x left in second term, parentheses, over 5x. Cancel out 5 and x with x. So the answer is 5x squared minus 9x. I can try it in the other way. So I have two terms. So it means I should have two fractions. The first fraction gonna be the first term over 5x. 25x to the power 3 over 5x. The second term is 45, 45x squared over 5x equals 5 goes with 25, which is 5. X to the power 3, it means x times x times x over x, or x times x squared. Then I'm gonna cancel out x minus, how many times 5 goes with 45? It's 9. X squared, it means x times x, and the bottom is x now, because 45 divided by 5, it's 9. Now I'm going to cancel out x, so the answer is 5 x squared minus 9x. 5 x squared minus 9x. Sorry for this mistake. Okay. Example 3. Simplify. I have this fraction and the bottom is an expression. So I'm gonna try it in 2 ways. I have 2 terms. The first term, this is the first term, and this is second term. So if I look at these 2 terms, I have a common factor, which is x plus 7 in the first term and x plus 7 in the second term. I'm going to take them out. Equals x plus 7. Then I'm going to have parentheses. So I have x left in first term minus 3 left in second term. And x plus 7, I'm going to put them in parentheses. So now I'm going to cancel out x plus 7 from the top and the bottom. So the answer is x minus 3. I can do it in other way. So other way, I'm gonna separate it. The first term is gonna be x plus 7 minus first the bottom gonna be x plus 7, and don't forget, guys, parentheses. The second fraction, it's 3x plus 7 over x plus 7 and parentheses. Now I'm gonna cancel out x plus 7. So the answer is equals x minus 3, which is the same answer. So you can use one, so this one, or just one way. You can use this way or this way. Pick one of them. Practice 7 on page 323. 2y plus 30 over 2. So the first way equals 2y plus 30. It comes from 2. I always look at the bottom. So it's 2 times 15 over 2 equals, take away 2 because I have 2 as a common factor. So take them out. Now I have y plus 15 left in second term over 2. Cancel out 2. So the answer is y plus 15. 2y plus 30 over 2. So the second way, 2y over 2 plus 30 over 2. Cancel out 2. So I can have y plus 15. 30 divided by 2 is 15, which is same answer. Question 3. The first way equals 4x, the first term, plus. I have 4 in the bottom, so 20, it's 4 times 5 over 4. So I have 4 as a common factor. So just take it out. So 4, it's parentheses, x plus 5. Now cancel out. The answer is x plus 5. The second way, I should have two fractions. First fraction for x over 4 plus 20 over 4. Cancel out 4. So I have x plus 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So x plus 5, which is same answer. Question 5, practice 7. So first way equals, the bottom is 11x. So I have 11 x squared, it's x times x plus 22, it's 11 times 2 x. Now I have a common factor, which is 11x in both terms. So I'm gonna take it out. Now I have x left in first term plus, I took out 11x, so I have 2 left in second term over 11x. Cancel them out. So the answer is x plus 2. Or just use this way or this way. One of them, guys. The second one equals, I should have two fractions, 11x squared over 11x plus 22x over 11x equals, cancel out 11 x squared, it's x times x over x plus, cancel out x, 22 divided by 11, it's 2, and cancel out these two, x, so x plus 2, which is same answer. Question 7. The first way equals, the bottom is 5, so I should keep 5 right here, and I should have 5 in here, so 5 times 2, 10 equals 5 times 2, put y down over 5. Now I have 5 as a common factor, So take it out. Then I'm gonna have x plus 2y left in the second term, and parentheses over 5. Cancel out 5. Then I'm gonna have x plus 2y. Second way, I'm gonna separate these two terms. So I'm gonna have 5x over 5 plus 10y over 5. Cancel out 5. So it's x plus 2y. 10 divided by 5 is 2, which is same answer. So as a homework, guys, you have, this is your homework. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think this is clear. This is just 32, guys. Over 32. And this is 12. And 13, 3, 7, 7, yes. And this is your homework, 11 and 12. Practice 7, B. So I'm going to divide by an expression. So the first way is I have 5y at the bottom. So now 40, it's 5 times 8, y times y, plus 10, it's 5 times 2, y, over 5y, equals, I'm gonna take out 5y, because I have a common factor. 5y is a common factor. Parentheses. Now I can have 8y left, plus 5y out. I have 2 left, over 5y. Cancel them out. So the answer is 8y plus 2. This way you guys can try it. The other way, just separated the top, so you should have 2 fractions. Question 17. So the first way, I have in the bottom 19x. 38, it's 19 times 2. 38 equals 19 times 2. So I'm going to make it 19 times 2 x, y, plus 38, 19 times 2 x, over 19x. Now I'm going to have 19x as a common factor. So just take it out, 19x. Parentheses. So I have 2y left, plus 19x out, I have 2 left right here, over 19x. Cancel them out, both. So now I have 2y plus 2. And you can try other way. So you can pick one of them, this way or the second way. So you should have 2 fractions right here. Question 19. So this is 17, yep, 19. The first way, I have common factor x plus 4. So I'm going to take it out. So x plus 4. Then I should have parentheses right here. So I have x left minus 6 over x plus 4. Don't forget, guys, to put them in parentheses. Now I'm going to cancel out x plus 4 and I have x minus 6. This is the answer. And the second way, I'm gonna do it for you guys. Just you're gonna have two fractions. The first one, x plus 4 over x plus 4, and don't forget parentheses. And right here, x plus 4 and parentheses. And the top is 6 x plus 4. So cancel out x plus 4 and the answer x minus 6, and you have same answer. #21. So I'm gonna use one. I'm gonna try one of them. So I have z plus 2 as a common factor. So I'm gonna take it out, z plus 2, then parentheses. I have left z minus 5, parentheses. And the denominator, z plus 2, and don't forget guys, parentheses for the denominator. Now we're gonna cancel out z plus 2, and the answer is z minus 5. And this way, just make them two fractions and cancel out. And don't forget parentheses to the bottom. 23. So the first way, I have b plus 3 as a common factor, guys. So I'm gonna take it out. So b plus 3. Then I have parentheses. So I have a left plus 3 left, and the bottom is b plus 3, parentheses. Now cancel out b plus 3, and the answer is equals a plus 3. Or you can try the second way, guys, or maybe I'm gonna try it after you guys gonna see your homework. So this is your